Good day everyone. In this video I'll be talking about gamma functions and it will help you to solve some examples. Please make sure you like and share this video. Thank you and God bless you. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's look at gamma functions. Gamma functions, there is a formula we are going to use or apply to solve some examples. Simple as ABC. Please just follow me up. Okay? Now, gamma function, let us have this formula. Gamma of n plus 1 is equals to n gamma of n. Amen? This is the formula. It's simple as ABC. This is what we are going to use. Okay. Now, how can we use this formula to solve examples? That is what we want to look at. Amen? Okay, look at it together. Let's look at it together. Example. Now, assuming your n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Amen? Okay. How are you going to solve this? Okay? That is what we want to look at. So now let's recall the formula. We write solution. Our gamma, this is not R, please take notes, of n plus 1 is equals to n gamma of n. Amen? Okay. Now, if n is equals to 1, let us assume, since we have n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10. So let us assume if our n is equals to 1, what will be our gamma function? That is what we want to look at. Okay. Now, if n is equals to 1, look at the left hand side. We have gamma of n plus what? 1. So it implies that we are going to substitute in 1 anywhere we see n. Is that clear? So look at it. Our gamma of n is 1 plus 1, which is equals to what we have here, n. Your n is 1 gamma of 1. Amen? Then the left hand side will now be 1 plus 1, which is what? 2. So gamma of 2 is equals to 1 gamma of 1. Amen? But note that gamma of 1 is equals to 1. Please take note. Are you following? So if gamma of 1 is equals to 1, it means we are referring to this. True of us. We are referring to this. It implies that anywhere you see gamma of 1, you substitute in 1. So our gamma of 2 is now equals to 1 times, since this is 1, which is equals to 1. True of us. So therefore, our gamma of 2 is equals to 1. So take note. So if you are asked to find gamma of 2, gamma of 2 means 1. Okay? Then let's look at another example. Assuming our n is, if our n is equals to 2, amen? So if our n is equals to 2, we recall the formula again. We write solution. Our gamma of n plus 1 is equals to n gamma of n. Amen? Okay? So now it says that our n is equals to 2. So anywhere you see n, you substitute in 2. Is that clear? Okay? So here will now be gamma of 2 plus 1, that is, we are talking about the left hand side, equals to n is 2 gamma of what is there? N, which is 2. So 2 plus 1 is going to give us what? 3. So gamma of 3 is equals to 2 gamma of 2. Amen? But note that, go back. Here we have gamma of 2. look at this one. Gamma of 2 gives you what? 1, isn't it? So it implies that anywhere you see gamma of 2 is equals to 1. So instead of gamma of 2, we substitute in 1. Is that clear? So now our gamma of 3 is equals to 2 times 1, which is equals to 2 factorial. True or false? Because 2 times 1 is the same thing as 2 factorial. Okay? Then, let us increase our n to 3. If n is equals to 3, amen? If n is equals to 3, we go by the formula. Is that clear? Our gamma of n plus 1 is equals to gamma of n, equals to n gamma of what? N. We now write solution. This implies that. Okay? Well, let's just write solution first. This implies that. Amen? This implies that. We write solution. It means we want to find if n is equals to 3. So the formula is gamma of n plus 1 is equals to n gamma of n. Amen? So now our n is 3, isn't it? So we are going to substitute in 3. Anywhere we see n, our gamma of 3 plus 1 is equals to, anywhere we see n is 3, gamma of 3. Amen? So here, gamma of 3 plus 1 is going to give us what? 4. True or false? Okay? So gamma of 3 plus 1 is going to give us 4 equals to 3 gamma of 3. Now, let's go back to this one that we just finished solving. Look at it. Gamma of 3 gives us what? 2 factorial. So look at the right hand side. We have 3 gamma of 3. True or false? So instead of gamma of 3, we will write what? Already gamma of 3 is 2 factorial. So here we are going to have our gamma of 4, the left hand side, is going to give us 3 times 2 factorial. Amen? Which is the same thing as 3 times 2 times 1, isn't it? True or false? Which is the same thing as gamma of 4 is equals to 6. But if we want to leave it in factorial form, it implies that gamma of 4 is equals to what? 3 factorial. True or false? Okay? Do you agree with me? Okay, let's try increase n to 4. Okay? Let us increase n to 4. If we increase n to 4, if n is equals to 4, it implies that our gamma of 4 plus 1, the left hand side, true or false, okay, equals to the right hand side, 4 gamma of 4, true or false, okay. Let us add 4 plus 4, it's going to give us gamma of 5, which is equals to 4 gamma of 4, amen, okay. Then we just solve that our gamma of 4 is 3 factorial, true or false. So instead of gamma of 4, we are going to write 3 factorial. So our gamma of 5 is equals to 4 times 3 factorial, true or false. Then we know the meaning of 3 factorial. 3 factorial is the same thing as 6, which is equals to 4 times 6, which is equals to what? 24. So this implies that if we want to leave it in factorial form, our gamma of 5 is equals to what? 4 factorial. Why? Because 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is going to give you the same thing. 4 times 3, 12, times 2, 24, times 1. Is it not the same thing? So this is how to find gamma function. So please, I want you to make sure you share this video. Try and help somebody to learn gamma functions. Thank you and God bless you.